probably use a real small one. Get a small hole. Okay, first thing you do is check your machine, make sure it hasn't moved. Appears to be pretty smooth. Appears to be off a little bit. Is that close enough for you?
No, not quite.
Not quite where you want to be? Better?
That's better.
Tools. So you got to square up the valve guide to the head. As you tighten it, the head compresses and warps. It'll bring it in, see?
Mm-hmm.
So it brings it in.
Yep.
And this one looks pretty close that way. And that one looks good. Maybe I should put this in a little way though. I used to use these small ones. This one felt dirty. Felt a little gritty as I tightened it. Okay, what happened? It's close. Close. Not close. Not close.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of movement. Torque on all the nuts. You gotta compensate on the head after you tighten it. Don't break the exhaust spigot off.
Mm-mm.
Unless you want to.
No, no.
Sure.
Already.
The intake spigot. Fine tuning move. See, the valve guide's way different than that one, see?
Mm-hmm.
Not even close.
Wow, look at that.
Very common. Not good machining. That's gonna make it worse. Alright, so we're gonna do this one first because it's closer than this one is right now, which is way the hell off.
Okay.
Now this had the 4-over exhaust guides in there, the 5-over. So every time you put the guide out of the hole, it changes the angle. That's why we got a big mismatch right now. That doesn't mean the intakes are any better. They machined off too. The quality machine wasn't as good as it is these days. All right. Now we need a pilot. Looks about that big. Will work. An exhaust valve. One like this one here would be good. Setting fixture. I don't know if these cost any good either.
Don't lose this one.
A lot of 4-digit numbers.
Hmm.
Seems like everything's 4 digits on a Summon deal. I'm not counting the .00 either. You put the tip on the edge where you want it. You want the valve seat to be.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you're using the same size pilot as your valve.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise there's an offset error. Found that out when I first started doing this. Then we need a cutter. Exhaust. That'll be this one. So if you can read it, it should say 060 on the end for 60,000 seat width.
060.
Now for the fun part. You want the tip of that to be at the tip of where that cuts at. Right now it's not quite there. I think I did a small valve last.
It looks like a Sportster.
Probably M8.
They're smaller.
Yeah, they're real small. So now I got to try to figure out where that edge is at. I'm not sure where it is because I can't see it. It's dark. Your light's not helping. Close. The top angle is only 5 degrees different than the seat angle. This cutter.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very hard to see the line where the top of the seat's at. Which makes it more difficult. You usually have the light reflecting off the edge down here where I can see it, but it's dark this direction right
Yeah.
now. There's no light down here. And you're shooting light from this direction,
Mm-hmm.
which
Makes it worse. Washes it out.
Yep. Exactly. And that's pretty high. These are called bounce springs. And that one's getting wadded up. It's like your forks here.
Yeah.
So, usually you're looking for something close to, I need my flashlight, close to what your original seat was. That's how you know you're close to what the size is.
Mm-hmm.
And we're quite a bit bigger. And if you can see where the cut line is going to be, see the gap on the cutter on the top?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
It's going to be cutting. It's going to cut more of the inside out until the top comes in. But your seat was like this wide, it was right in the middle of the valve. I want to be on top of the valve. With a narrower seat. That's why it's different. That's not enough.
Not enough air.
Not enough in.
Oh. Can you go further?
Yeah.
Oh.
I remember having to go all the way to 3 though. That was at 2. We'll try 2. I am on 2. 2 different numbers. Yeah, that was nice. I'll go all the way to the last one. There you go. Maybe I'll get where your valve is before it's self-centered. So. The other problem is that gets crud built up on it from just sitting here in the air, which makes it sticky. You don't want any lubricant on this because the dust from cutting will get in there and tear it up. Should go all the way up. So you wipe it off. Yeah, works a little freer now. Everything sticks. The toes come up real slow. This doesn't lock in very quickly. Minimum cut. Cut it just enough to leave a mark so I can tell where we're cutting. Set this cutter. This is my top clearance cut. These used to be available from Sun, but not available anymore. Special made. It's my own cutter. This relieves the chamber and shrouds it. Looks like it's not going to do anything. Yep. See, the seat's way up in the air. See how I didn't cut the chamber?
Yeah.
When it gets sunk down, it starts cutting. So that just kind of identifies where the seat is, though. Let's see, that stays down there. What are we doing? The rear?
We're here.
What's all that banging noise out there?
Neighbors.
Garbage can. So I want to see where this thing is hitting at. So we have to just mark it. No, it's not the rear, it's the front.
Is it?
Dumbass. Got confused. See, that's the front one. But we did this one.
Oh.
I'll look at this one. And if I'm good, it'll be perfect. It's right out there on the edge, that's for sure. Dirty rag, that used to be a dirty rag over here.
This one right there. One right there.
Different rags do different things around here.
Mm-hmm.
This one can be used. Gotta be careful, it makes the valve dirtier when you clean it.
Yeah.
Just trying to get the grit off. Okay, so we want the valve seat right on the edge, but we want a little bit of a gap out there. See, there's no gap. There's no shiny line above
Yeah.
mark. So I'm too tall. Too far out. You see the seat mark there? It's highlighted pretty good with a lapping compound. Wipe it off. You can see it. Alright, so now I gotta cheat and move this thing in a little bit. Too far out. Oh, too good. So we gotta move it in a little bit. Precision adjustment.
That's a little bit right there.
That's a precision adjustment.
Is it 2/10?
Now we never did clean this one, so it wasn't fully seated yet. You heard it was cutting out around and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I purposely stopped just enough to give the seat. So now when I sink it down, because I have to sink it deeper to move the seat. So we get one freebie. After this, we'll just start sinking it. Center.
Yeah.
Wait for it to pop. To the pop.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it! Shatter. Just I released it, shattered. We don't like shatter marks just as you release it. Just hitting it little now.
Mm-hmm.
Just hitting the seat too. It's way up there. These valves are way up in the air right now.